Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by launching Narrator immediately with Windows key plus Control plus Enter. This toggles it on or off. Once Narrator speaks, make sure to pick the right audio device in Settings right arrow system right arrow sound so speech is heard clearly. If nothing speaks, open Ease of Access right arrow Narrator and confirm the speak option is active. Also, make sure Windows updates are installed because updates often fix voice quality and compatibility issues. This prevents wasted time later. You now configure the voice and learn core commands. Open Settings right arrow Ease of Access right arrow Narrator and choose a voice. Adjust speed and pitch so speech is comfortable. Faster is not always better. Once done, practice shortcuts like Caps Lock plus M to start reading, Caps Lock plus space to interact, and Caps Lock plus F1 for help. Make use of Narrator Quick Start to rehearse commands. This builds muscle memory and helps you use Narrator efficiently across apps and browsers. You finish by integrating Narrator into daily work and knowing how to recover from glitches. Turn on the Narrator cursor and, if you use Braille, enable Braille support for precise navigation. If speech cuts out or shortcuts stop responding, close Narrator and restart it. If problems persist, reboot Windows. Make sure the speech language in Settings right arrow time and language matches your selected voice. A quick troubleshooting tip: toggle Narrator off and on again before digging into deeper settings. This fixes most transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.